Hey lovelies, welcome to the channel. Alright, so in today's video guys, I'm going to be doing a twist out on my natural 4C hair. And of course, before I do my twist out or I do any style in particular, I always like to start off by moisturizing my hair. So the oil that I'm currently using to moisturize my hair is called the Argan Oil, and I'm just going to use it and massage my hair all over. And then after I apply that oil, I'm then going to apply this other hair oil called the Africa's Best. Let's talk about why I like to moisturize my hair first. So the thing is, when I'm creating any hairstyle videos, I often start with freshly washed hair. And so it just makes sense to just go ahead and ensure that my hair is properly moisturized. So of course you don't have to do this, especially if it's a case where you washed and moisturized your hair the day before or whenever. I'm going to be using these things to separate my hair. Whatever you call them, comment down below. What I find is that when I separate my hair, it just makes it so much easier to style. Am I the only one who experienced this? What I'm doing now is just to wet the back section of my hair. And of course, this is something that I'm going to do to each of the sections that I separated. And you want to do this because, of course, you're doing a twist out. And so you don't want to do a twist out on your dry hair. You get what I'm saying? So you want it to have some level of moisture. Now that my hair is wet to my liking, what I'm doing now is just to take out a smaller unit. And of course, your parts, they don't have to be straight. And then I'm just going to detangle that small section. And I'm then going to apply some Eco-Gel. So you don't want to apply too much of the Eco-Gel. You just want to apply a small amount. And then afterwards, I'm going to rake the Eco-Gel through my hair with my fingers. And after I do that, I'm just going to two-strand twist it. And of course, I'm just going to continue doing this until my entire hair is twisted. Here, I'm just giving you a better view from the front. And one thing I noticed is that I wasn't consistent with the sizes of my twist. However, you want to ensure that when you're doing yours, just try to be as consistent as possible. And for sure, this is something that I need to work on. Look at these chunky twists, guys. Mighty. They're chunky, right? It's a brand new day. Currently, I'm just getting ready to go to work. I am just going to show you the outcome. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do before I unravel these twists, I am going to apply one of my favorite oil, the island oil. I'm just going to put it in my hand, then I'm going to rub it up in my hair, and then I'm going to unravel my twist. Just a tip, guys, when you're going to separate your twist, and especially if you're going to unravel them one by one, you want to put away the rest of your hair in a ponytail, and that's what I'll be doing. Also, try to twirl your twist first before you separate them. So when you're twirling them, it's like you're going in the other direction. I find that this just makes it so much easier and helps to prevent tangling. So once you twirl it and you pull that twist, you're going to double pull one more time. Beautiful hair, yeah. 4C hair is a flex, hey. Watch that beautiful hair. Alright guys, my hair is so pretty right now. Alright, it's pretty. I can say that I like the Eco-Gel so far. Why? Because I'm not experiencing any flaking, I'm not experiencing any white residue so far. I won't be wearing my hair out exactly like this. I'll be using a headband to push it back a little bit so it's not all in my face. People, do you know how beautiful our natural hair is? If only we had all the time in the world to care for it. Remember to stay prayed up and just know that God is with you anywhere that you go. Thank you so much for coming on to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.